how to show or hide products SKU on your store on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show it or hide it. First, open your Bigcommerce and then go to settings, and now scroll down until you find here display. If you can't find it here, just type here display and click on it. And now here scroll down until you find product settings, and here we'll find show product SKU. Now turn it off or on, and then if you want to hide it, just turn it off and then save, and if you want to show it, just click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.